All right, guys. Like, look at it now. This is the voice of Oyi James. With this video, I'm going to teach you on how to trade on Bybit exchange, how to do crypto trading. Okay. So, just like the way I'm doing now, I want to teach you on how to trade cryptocurrency. We are going to use Bybit exchange to explain everything there. When you open your Bybit exchange account like this, you will see something like this, right? So this deposits, it means you want to receive digital asset, you want to receive cryptocurrency to your wallet. And we have three options here. The first option is what? P2P trading, which we call peer-to-peer trading. Then the second one here you have buy with Naira. Third one we have what? Deposit crypto. So this P2P trading, it may maybe either you want to buy it on Bybit exchange or you want to sell your cryptocurrency. You are lacking money, our local traditional currency. So you want and you have digital asset like Bitcoin, USDT, Ethereum, and you want to exchange it to Naira. That's where you use what? P2P trading. And here also you can buy your cryptocurrency on P2P trading. So let's open the P2P trading and see. You see a lot of sellers here where you can buy your cryptocurrency from. You can see there, right? So I don't know how much you want to, I don't know how many cryptocurrency you want to buy. Either you want to buy 50 USDT, 10 USDT. I don't know how much Naira you want to use to buy. So let's say I'm using like 20,000 Naira to buy some USDT. This is 20,000 Naira. Then you click on what? Confirm. Sellers that accept 20,000 to what? 71,000, 10,000 to what? 30,000, 9,000 to what? 229,000. You see them what? Then here, all payment method. Select it and use what? You can select any one of your choice, right? So since I'm using OP, I'm going to use what? OP. So I've selected OP. Since I've selected OP, you can see, let's say I want to buy 20,000 worth of USDT from this person. So now you can see there, right? I'll type the 20,000. You can see there, right? Then I'll click what? Buy. You see, then you click what? Pay now. You can see, look at the person's account. The bank name is what? Non-bank, MFB, right? Look at the account number, And if you are not, you can select what OP here. Look at the person. You have PalmPay, you have GT Bank, Kuda. Let me select OP. You can see, so I want to use this OP. You can see there, right? So I'm using this OP to send the coin, right? I'm using this OP to send the money. So I'll just copy the account number. I'll copy the account number. Then I'll open my OP account or First Bank and send. Make sure you are sending this exact amount you are seeing here, which is 20,000. Once you complete the payment there, you come to this place, click on what? Payment completed. And the person will release the amount of USDT you paid for. To know the amount of USDT, look at it now. Look at the order here. I have a pending order. Look at this 20,000 now. This 20,000 will give me how many USDT? 12.3. You can see the right 12.3 USDT. Then the last, this one, you see 12.3 USDT, right? So, and if you want to cancel it now, you click on this. You can cancel your order. Continue to cancel. I no longer wish to proceed with the order. You tick like this. Since you have not made since you have not sent the money to the account. But if you have sent the money to the account, don't come and cancel your order, because if you cancel your order, that means they will not hold the person responsible. You will be the one, you will be liable to your loss, not the person. Okay, it's at your own detriment. So you click on the confirmation. So I've confirmed. No, you see, I've cancelled the order already. So that is how to receive it. And if someone has 10 USDT and want to buy from me, that's where you click on deposit. Use what? Deposit crypto. If you don't want to buy on Bybit exchange, if you see that it's very, very risky for you, you can buy from me. Click on deposit. Then you select what? USDT. Type USDT, because USDT is what we use to trade. We use USDT to trade against all those coins there. USD. You can see them, right? This particular one, full USDT here. You can see Tether. You can see you see a lot of all this one. We call them blockchains or networks, either blockchains or networks. So don't use this Ethereum, which is ERC20. Okay, don't use this Ethereum or ERC20. Use what? Use either BSC here, Polygon here, and Tone, right? Don't use ERC20. You can even use Arbitrum, right? So that is it. So let's go. Let's go back to our normal business now. So I'm still going to make video on how to buy, on how to make deposit again. But here I'm going to teach you on how to trade. So that's what we are doing now. So here we are going to use our demo accounts. Each Bybit account has demo accounts to practice the trade. So we are going to use our what? We're going to use our demo account. So when you open your Bybit exchange, you see this more here. You open the more. At the search bar here, type what? Demo. DEMO. You can see the right demo trading. Now I've switched the account from the real account to what? To demo account now. So let me explain this thing to you guys now. So you put it on what? Let it be on what? Futures. So here, so USDT, that is Solana. That is the short form of what? Solana. That is what we are going to trade. Then this cross, we call them what? We call them margin mode. We have isolated, cross, portfolio. But I'm going to explain the two popular ones, which are what? Isolated and cross. So what isolated is saying, that I have 50,000 USDT to trade, and I want to enter market with what? With 20,000 USDT. If market goes against me, it's only that 20,000 that I enter the market will be affected. Why I will have 30,000 left in my trading balance. Then the cross is saying that I have 99,000 USDT or the same 50,000 USDT. I'm just giving an example. And I'm entering the market with 20,000 USDT. If market goes against me and liquidates me, everything I have in the available balance will be affected, will be liquidated. People ask questions that if isolated only takes the amount of USDT you enter the market with and remain the available balance for you, whereas cross takes everything if the market goes against you, then why should we use cross to trade? Why shouldn't we use what? Isolated to trade? That's where problem comes. But cross here Cross increases your what? Your liquidation price. What does it mean? If I enter market with you, if you are using cross and I'm using isolated, any slight movements in the market, that market goes against me, they will take me out immediately. But you that use cross, you may even stay in the market the next 2 days. You can see the differences now. Where the market was going down, the market can still retrace back and give you profit, whereas they already take me out from the market. So that is the difference there. Then with this one we have 10x here. We call them what? Leverage. Leverage. As a novice or someone that's coming into the space to make money, I know your main motive is to test how do people make money here. So I'm not advising you to use higher leverage like 20x leverage, 50x leverage, or 100x leverage. Use what? Use 5x leverage. Don't forget, use 5x leverage and make sure you are using like $15 to trade. And if you are using $10 to trade, use like 10x leverage. Okay, that is it. Then here we have what? Because here for this leverage, the higher the leverage, the higher your profit. If market goes in your favor, then the higher the leverage, the higher the loss if market goes against you. So, and again, if you are using 10x leverage and I'm using 50x leverage and we are in profit, our profit will not be the same. Even though we use the same amount to trade and you are using 10x and I'm using what? 50x, our profit will not be the same. Maybe when 100% of $10 is giving you $100, is giving you $10, maybe that 100% is giving you over $30. You can see the differences, right? Because I take more risk. Just on a point. So here we call them what? We call them orders of markets or orders of trades. That's how we have limit order, market order. So what the market order is saying that look at the current price of this Solana, 171. So the market order is telling me that James, I'm entering the market at this current price. That's market order. Then here we have what? Limit order. The limit order now is saying that James, since I don't want to enter the market at this current price now, let me set the price at which I want to enter the market. So either I want to short or I want to long. So short means you are selling the cryptocurrency, while long means you are buying the cryptocurrency. So when you short, you are expecting the price to go down so that you make profit, and when you long, you are expecting the price of the coin to go up so that you make profit. A situation whereby you buy expecting the price to go up and the price keeps depreciating, dropping, you'll be at loss because it did not meet up with your prediction or your target. But is an a situation whereby you short, you are expecting the price to come down, the price continue to go up, you will also be at loss. If you are longing the market or buying the coin, make sure the price follows your analysis. Make sure the price goes up if you are buying or longing. And if you are shorting or selling, make sure the price is dropping so that you make profit. So now I want to long the market. That means I want to buy and I don't want to buy at this current price. That's where limit order now giving me access, right to set the price I want to enter the market. So I want to go at what? I want to wait the market. I want to wait for the market to come down to 42.20. That is 142.200. That is it. Then I don't want to use 99,000 that I have here. I want to use what? 25% of my capital. You can see there, right? That is limit order. And I'm waiting for the market to come down to what? To 142 so I can long it here. Then we have TP or SL, that is take profit and stop loss, right? So that is it. So since I want to long the market, let's see now. PM, confirm it now. You see the order is waiting for the price to come to what? To 142 so that it will trigger, right? You can see that it's waiting here. So let's go and try market order and see. Market order. I want to use 25% of my remaining capital. Let's go and long and see. You can see there, right? This tip is called take profit or stop loss. If I drop signal for you and I include this TP and stop loss, make sure you put them. Okay, make sure you put them. You open it, take them like this, you put them, right? So now I don't want to put them because I don't want to put them, but for this purpose of for the purpose of this tutorial, let me put them. So my stop loss now is my take profit now. I want the price to go to, I want to take my profit at 174. That means I have to wait for the market to go to 144 before it will take me out from the market. But if I see that the thing is giving me like a fair profit, like something tangible, I can close it at any time. I may not wait for it to go to 174. If it reaches 172 or 173, I can close it. Or even 172, 200, I can close it. Then this stop loss, should in case market goes against me, since I don't want to lose everything now, I don't want to lose more than $50. So that's why I'm selecting this particular stop loss here. So I want them to take me out from the market when the price reaches what? 170. So once the price reach 170 now, they will take me out from the market, right? So I'm going to buy what? Long. You can see, remember we are using what? Market order. So it will peak at this current price now. So let's go. You can see it has peaked, right? The order has been triggered. But look at this one now. This one now is waiting for the price to come to 142 so that it will buy. But look at this one. This one already this one already triggered now and is trading currently. You can see there, right? It's giving us $22 now, right? Look at our liquidation price now. That means if the price of this particular Solana drop from $171 to 88, they will liquidate me. Since I'm using what? I'm using cross here. They will liquidate everything I have in the trading balance. They will liquidate everything here. Like $59,000, they will liquidate everything. You can see that we are in profit of what? $222 on this demo account, right? So if I want to close it now, I can close it if I'm okay with this price now, with this profit of 114. You can see the market now is going up and down, right? So that is it. You can see I've explained the market order and limit order. Now look at the one we use on limit order now. It's waiting for the price to come down. Okay, so that is it. So I want to close this position now. Let's close it now. You click on this close by and what? Confirm. The order has been closed. Alright. So that is it. You have market order, explain market order and limit order. Market order now is you are entering the market at the current price of this coin. While the limit order gives you access to choose when to enter the market, right? And cross and isolated. The cross here now, cross and isolated here. This cross, if market goes against you and liquidate you, it will affect everything you have in your available balance, in your trading balance. But isolated, they only takes
The
the
profit
the
is
amount you enter the
2.1,
market with.
2.64,
That is isolated for you.
2.7, and
Why cross
2.72.
only what?
So you have to
Cross
pick
affect
anyone,
it
either
affects everything you
2.6.
have
So I'm going
in
to
your
use what?
trading balance.
2.72.
Even though you enter the market with $1 and you have $200,000, as far you waited for the
So
market
you
to
locate your
liquidate
take
you,
profit,
you're going to lose
then
everything in your
2.72.
trading balance, right? So that is it. So I've explained this take profit and
Your
stop
take
loss,
profit is
right? So I want us to do
2.72,
what? Let's
right?
go into
So you can choose
practice.
any one of your choice, either
Let's
2.72
do the practical and see.
or 2.6.
So I've
Once
dropped
I drop
signal
signal like
somewhere.
this, you can pick any one of your
Let's go
choice.
and drop signal. So
So let's use 2.72.
you can see this. You can see this signal,
Okay.
right?
So that means we will have to wait for the market to to enter 2.72 to give us the profit. So let's pick our what? Stop loss. 2.48.
You can see this signal, right? What?
Our stop
Tier
loss.
what? Tier USDT. They say we should
2.48.
long it and we should use what? Limit order. Stop loss. Take profit. You can see the right. So tier USDT.
Or let's just put 2.4. So you can see the right. So we are going to do what? We are going to buy now.
So let's look for tier USDT and see.
You can see
Since you already we are
limit
trading
order.
one, we are
You can see that
trading what
it's ready
Solana. So let's type what
for the market to
tier
trigger.
tier USDC here. But look at the one I'm talking about, number one here. Tier what? USDT.
You can see the right.
So what the order said,
So
the
that is
signal said we
limit
should
order
do
now.
what?
You're using what? You're using limit order now because
They say should
our
long,
orders
that you
now,
should buy.
is waiting for the price to enter 2.5 to trigger. So that is limit order.
We should buy
You can see the right.
and limit order 2.5.
That's how to do it.
So you use what? You change from the market order here to what? To limit order. They say we should buy at what? 2.5. That is, we need to wait. Look at the current price of this particular coin, 3.2. So they say we should wait for the price to come to 2.5 so that it will give us our own, so that it will trigger on buy. You can see there, right? So I'm going to use, it depends on your own. This one is your own choice. Either I use 10%, 25% of your capital or 10% of your capital. You can be dragging itself. You can drag them. You can drag this place to this 100%, 75%, you see. So I'm going to use what 20% of this. So this take profit now. You know, it will be like this before. Tick it and it will open. They say take profit is what?